Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday.
Ay, Diyos ko. Already na yung apo kung magara ka.
Mato, I look.
Makagulo na yan. Just ignore him. Just ignore him.
Hello guys.
Already to
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Apple. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Okay.
Okay. Kishon.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday. No.
Okay, Kishon. Okay, wait.
Can we do the prayer now?
Wait. Okay, Sean.
I want to read the prayer. Happy birthday, Poppy.
Okay, Sam.
Hi everybody, hi Apple. I love you so much, Apple, and happy birthday.
Okay, Rizal.
Rizal,
Say, what you
talk
saying?
to
Say,
Apple,
talk to Apple.
Ignore him.
Rizal.
Ignore him.
Rizal. Rizal. Rizal.
Look at him.
Rizal. Okay. Rizal, say what to Apple now. Rizal.
You talk to Apo.
Rizal. Okay. Greet Apple now. Go.
Okay,
What did you say earlier?
What did you say to Apo?
Okay.
I wish I am in the Philippines.
Okay, say. Mama, pray mo. Okay.
I wish.
What do you greet
No,
Apple?
you greet first.
What do you say to Apple? What you said earlier? Go.
Come on.
Apple, I wish I'll be in the Philippines with you. I love you, Jesus, and Apple. I pray for you all the time when I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Apple. Sil Rizal.
Uy, mana eh. Uy, ma.
No, it's not.
Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ang kaya kang birthday. Sana itanggang paplano daw magawa nga gana maging masaya kung sila nga din bisita mo. Sana tiyo kami ken pero maybe next birthday mo. Okay, ika na bala ka retang pagdamot mo la retang ayabot ko kaya ka ne. O kaluguran da ka man o ikayo kapatid ko bayo pa nakan mimingat ko ngan kaluguran da kayo nga namimiss da kayo ngan. See you soon. Very, very soon. Love you all. Okay.
Apple, happy birthday. We miss you. Sana cho kami ken. Hopefully, keng next celebration mo kaya mo kami. So, we're waiting for the video. Excited kami nga aking celebration. God bless you and I miss you.
Hi Apple, happy birthday. Sayang wala kami ken, but in spirit sa kami ken. We love you. Hello everybody. I miss you all guys. Hopefully we'll see you guys soon. Okay? Take care everybody. Miss you all.
This is Keyshawn. Hi Apple. Love you. I miss all you guys. I hope to see you soon. Happy birthday, Apple.
Apple, hi everybody. Happy birthday. I miss you guys. And I wish I could go to the Philippines next year. Bye.
Happy birthday to my grandma Apple. There she is in the Philippines. She loves me. She loves me so much. How do I do for her?